Hello traders, Des here with Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, October 7th, 2013. Stock market goes into bearish territory yet again. The S&P down 0.85%, with the Dow down 0.9%, the Nasdaq down almost a full percent, and Russell's down 1.16%. Banks though off by 1.5%. Really taking any momentum away from the market today, with the volatility index, the fear indicator, spiking 16%, now over 19. People fleeing to gold and silver. You have gold up 0.9%, with silver up 2.9%. Crude oil down by 0.5%, with the US dollar down a fraction. We now have closed below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Next stop is the 61.8 Fibonacci, which puts us at 1666. So that'd be an area of support if we get down there. Not sure we're going to see that. We had this nice bull pullback, a little pop, but then we fell. Nice little pop, and then we fell. Big, large candlesticks, both bullish and bearish. Trying to find a bottom. Speaking of bottom, if I go to the spiders, you'll see we're at a support level right now. Last couple of days been on pretty puny volume. We need to increase that. Take a look here at gold. Gold has a falling wedge. We did break out of that with the 20-day moving average. That's in its resistance, but a lot of upside potential here on gold. If I go to the weekly chart, you can see we're at resistance. Looks like it's ready to break out. Gold is a buy in my book. Silver broke out today, boom, to the upside on some really nice volume. We've been talking about that being a buy. Hope you jumped in on that. And silver for the weekly, we're at resistance, ready to break out. Looking good. Gold here looking very bad. We did break down below a support line, so look for downside potential on Google. Furthermore, big support line on the weekly chart on Google. We're down on the wrong side of it. Bad news. So Apple, on the other hand, up 1%, trying to break up over a resistance area. It's starting to make that move. Maybe, maybe not. Look here at the weekly. We're at a support level. Looks like a lot of upside potential for you Google or Apple fans out there. Be looking for some buying opportunities there. Let's go to Facebook. Facebook building a choppy high base, looking for a trade on Facebook at 51.60. And Microsoft was off 1.7%, but we're at a support level. Support. Be watching for a bounce if the markets decide to go bullish tomorrow. Wouldn't surprise me if in all this weakness we don't get a nice little bullish day going into tomorrow. Thanks for being a part. You're the best. Hope to have you guys join us in a much greater way, hooking up with the 101s, then go to the more advanced formalized trading education, the 201s, and then taking the real step into the best education money can buy, and that's through our mentorship. So if you speak Spanish, go listen to Miguel's video, and if you like day trading and stocks, make sure you go watch Mark's. Take care and safe trading to you.
My name's Todd Muffley. I'm the owner of Fat Adam Internet Marketing. I've been in Carmel for 5 years and in trading for about 4. Before mentoring, my trading was erratic and losing. After mentoring, after going through the mentoring process, the biggest thing that I found was a system. And a system that basically said if you follow these rules and you do it religiously, then you will be successful. Mentoring benefits to me were having somebody that you could call on and talk to after the mentoring. I think is important because, you know, it's like going to college. When you go to college, it's great when you have the teacher in front of you, but afterwards, who do you call on when you need advice? So that was a big thing. The other part that I liked about mentoring in the process was that Des goes slow and methodical through the process, and so I never felt like I was being rushed into something that I didn't have complete comprehensive knowledge over before we went on to the next item. Of course I'd recommend them, and the biggest reason why is because just like you have a trading education that everybody wants to garner, I think it's important to have that in a formal platform. Instead of just going out and doing your own research and maybe reading a book here or there, or following a strategy, it's, in my opinion, a good thing to have a comprehensive program which is tried and tested and true, rather than just, hey, you should follow this stock pattern and only trade it. If I was on the fence about it, I would just evaluate my past 50 trades and see how I did. And if I'm a rock star and I'm kicking butt, then maybe I would evaluate it a little bit more. But if my last 50 trades have been shaky, or the wild, wild west, I guess you could say, then I would definitely say it's something that you should look at. The other thing is, just don't believe these testimonials. Actually reach out to the mentors at Grok Trade and figure it out with them, to talk to people individually, so you can get a one-on-one representation from somebody who's been through it as well. So it's not just a quote-unquote salesperson telling you how good it is, but actually learn from the people who've been there.